Hey, what's going on? Sunday. I got bored. Went to the store, grabbed a bag of chips. Those are where it's at, by the way. And then going to go for a little cruise around Cultus Lake, Chilliwack area. See if I can find some spots to stay overnight, because soon we'll have to move in this thing for foreseeable future, I guess you could say. We choose not to get an apartment right now just because of what's going on, and we will see where that takes us. And I'll take you guys along. Let's go. There you go, turn the front camera on. We have been living down here, the end of Cultus, for about a month, and I'm going to go up this, let's see if I can draw something. Go up this road here along the Chilliwack River. It's a bunch of logging roads up here, so see what's up there, and hopefully we can find some sweet spots where we won't bother anybody. And since the provincial parks are all closed, so there's no camping anywhere, we'll find our own spots. Well, the gravel road is starting, so we're off to a good start. Plus the sun's out. Pissing rain really hard earlier, so it's good. About a couple kilometers up the road. This is definitely not a road where you're going to be doing 50 kilometers an hour, but it's going somewhere. Well, this is as far as I'm going. I just got to the 4 kilometer mark. Decent hole there in the front, and then last thing I want is get this thing stuck and having to walk out. So I'm gonna spin around and go somewhere else. Coming up to a bridge here. Nice little creek. Awesome, man. So quiet here. Get out, see if I can take some photos. Hopefully nobody drives down. I saw some quads and dirt bikes earlier, so found this little side road. Drove down about 100 feet, and then parked right here. I'll walk. Sounds like there could be a spot to camp right by that creek I saw up on that bridge, so fingers crossed. Well, just when I thought I wasn't going to find anything. So this spot's pretty cool. There's some fire pits already. Nice open area. I could wake up to this in the morning, I wouldn't be mad. Sick. Pumped. Couple spots down here right by the creek. There's a minivan over there, so obviously if he made it through that puddle, I probably will. I don't know if there's anybody left. I don't know if that's anybody's van or if it's broken down or something, but yeah, going to the next spot, I guess. Well, there was a dude in that minivan. Luckily, he wasn't some weirdo. He waved. So, we're good. Yeah, anyways, that's it for today. I found another spot actually, nice and flat here. Some other people have been camping because a couple fireplaces. A little bit of a view here. You can hear the creek that I was down at earlier. But yeah, I'm gonna get back into making videos a little bit more. I'm also focusing on growing my business, the brand, I guess you could say. I gotta go to storage maybe this week and pick up a couple hoodies for some friends that want some. And I have some stickers on the way as well. So again, if anybody's interested, just send me a message. But for now, I'm taking some time to enjoy myself and work on my business, hopefully grow it a little bit more. I spent better part of a year in Vancouver working as construction, as an operator, I guess. Worked at 2 different jobs, and yeah, I'm gonna take this time with everything that's going on to just focus on myself and maybe hit the restart button on some aspects of my life. Maybe, yeah, travel a little bit more. Been saving up some money, so when you travel and trying to make some money on the side, maybe pick up a job here pretty soon down the road once all this stuff has blown over. Anyways, thanks for watching.